Street homelessness in Wales is becoming increasingly visible. Anyone walking the streets of our towns and cities can't help but notice that there are people sleeping out in the open air. Some councils have claimed that there's no need for anybody to sleep on the street, and yet during the punishing winter of 2018 there were literally dozens of people sleeping in the snow instead of seeking hostels or shelter. People aren't idiots. They have their reasons for doing what they do. So what's happening on the streets of Wales? Why are people turning down hostels and shelters? Why is the system failing so many people? I've come to Swansea today as Campaigns Ambassador for Shelter Cymru to hear directly, firsthand from people who are street homeless, what it's like to live on the streets in Wales, and to hear from them directly what exactly it is that street homeless people need and want in their lives.
2 places in Swansea.
I know 2 emergency beds in
Yeah,
the
for
whole
the
of
whole
Swansea.
Swansea and this were registered.
So everyone says that street homelessness is complex, and that's true. But at the same time, if you talk to people who are actually going through it themselves, and if you ask them what they really want, almost everybody is saying the same thing. So what people really want is a home. A home of your own is the best place to deal with whatever problems you might have. Without a permanent home, it's incredibly difficult to deal with addiction or mental health issues.
This is actually my experience of homelessness with my daughter.
Wow.
So I'd like you to have that if you
Well,
like.
thank you so much.
It's talked about homelessness.
People are trapped on the streets because they're ill, and we need to flip this system on its head. People need permanent homes as the first step, not the last step towards recovery. Homeless people need homes. It's actually that simple. So if you care about this issue, sign up to Shelter Cymru as a campaign supporter and add your name to the fight to end homelessness in Wales.